with great skill. He sets the vertical line with rolls on the F line.
Gravity always wins, but watch what he does when gravity's about to take over. He rolls it back around and continues to pick up speed,
throwing that stick over to the left, then back to the right. Hard point rolls left and right into the upright position. Now he will pull back just before he gets to the trees. He experienced right there over 10 times his normal body weight. Clawing into the sky here above Owensboro. He goes into a forward flip. Watch the inverted recovery. And goes into a knife edge spin. A quick inverted recovery. He's got more to do. Brought to you by Fremont Watches, ADAX Aviation, Champion Aerospace, Afterglow Aircraft Solutions. Hey Rob, that's a bridge. MGL Avionics, Sling Pilot Academy, Full Stop Aviation, Accelerate, and Tubro Aviation. Now as he picks up energy, leveling off just feet above the water, point rolls up 60 degrees, nose up, and throws that tail right over the nose for a forward flip again. Now let's watch. Inverted. He does the frisbee turn one more time. Camera's on. Watch this. He'll go from about 90 miles an hour forward, stopping the roll and pulling back on the stick for the Cobra.